So the first thing I'll do now is to fold the strip, taking half of an inch on both sides. So I will get, here I should have 1 inch. So I'm taking one of the strip now. So here I'll place it on one piece. At the end, I'll just lock it up here. This is just to hold it down first. Then I'll take the other piece. So you can see why we actually left this place, to be able to contain the strip. So now I'll take the facing. Here is the facing. I'll place it over it, right side facing each other. So I'll place it over it. So at this point I'll be sewing up the half of an inch. But before that, I'll hold it down here. So I'm starting from the armhole. I'll take it from the armhole to the sleeve, to the neckline, to the other side. Okay? So before I turn it over, I'll give this a notch all the way, the armhole and the neckline. You need to trim out some excesses you do. So you can see this from the inside. Turn it to the other side. You can see this from the outside. So the next thing, I'll place the next piece over it, right side facing each other, like this. Then I'll take one of the strip now and have it here. I'll just hold this down with a pin first. Then I'll take the next piece and place it over this. I'll also hold it down. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll spread this open So spreading it open like this, you can see the pin is still there. So I'll take over the facing now and place over it. So here is the facing. So I'll be placing this over it. I'll just go ahead and hold them all firmly. I could have as well just hold this down just the way I did for the first part. I'll just sew everything at once. So I'm holding it down now. So you can see both necklines is ready. So what I'll do next now is to go the inside at this edge. I'm going to be weaving it inside. Then afterwards I will give this a very good press. Okay. So the next thing I'll do is to fix the pocket. So remember we notched the part where we want to fill the pocket. Here's the notch here. So at this notch now, we take one piece of the pocket, making sure that the right sides are facing each other. I'll start from the point of the notch and I'll sew up. So I'm done with the pockets. So what I'll do now is to clean these edges off. I'll go weave it all on every part of the pocket before I start joining the sides. Then also on the neck part as well. Then after that, I will give it a very good press. And here guys, I'm done giving this a very good press. So here is the neckline, you can see. And here is the strip. This is looking all beautiful already. So this is the back. So if I turn this over, so you can see what the inside looks like. So here is the facing. You can see I cleaned up the edges. So this is what the inside looks like. And also for the back piece as well. Okay. So The final thing now is to join the sides and also to hem the lower part. So in joining the sides together with the pockets, so this is why I had to clean up the sides of the pocket. It's easier done this way before sewing up. So the next thing of course is to sew the sides. So you come to the armhole point, take depending on the allowance you left, you take 1 inch or ½ inch, take it from this point, just sew straight. When you get to this pocket part, you come in this way, take it round the pocket, you come out here again, then you continue stitching straight down to the floor length of the dress. So after the same thing you also do to the other side. So after that you hem the lower part of the dress and this maxi dress will be ready. That's it guys. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial guys. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoy making this dress. You might want to try this as well. I'm sure you'll see how easy this looks. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to my subscribers. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn the notification bells on so that anytime I get upload a new video, you get notified. Thank you again. See you on the next video. Bye.